The reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the states are submitted to which among the following? Correct answer. B. The Governor. Government is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Correct answer. A democratic. Which of the following is not the recommendation of the Simon Commission? Correct answer. D. Discontinuation of communal electorate. 21. In which year was the Family Courts Act enacted? Correct answer. B. 1984. Environment Protection Act, 1986 consists of how many sections? Correct answer. B. 26. How many members can be nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, respectively? Correct answer. A 12 and 0. Which has become a legal right under 44th Amendment? Correct answer. B. Right to property. Which schedule of Indian Constitution mentions about the division of power between the Union and the states? Correct answer. B. 7th schedule. In which year was the National Green Tribunal established? Correct answer. D. 2010. In which year Bonded Labour System Abolition Act was passed? Correct answer. B. 1976. In which year Manipur and Tripura became full-fledged state of India? Correct answer. C. 1972. Which of the following amendments is also known as the mini-constitution of India? Correct answer. B. 42nd Amendment. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with the panchayats? Correct answer. A Part 9. Who appoints the banking ombudsman? Correct answer. C. Reserve Bank of India. The Hindu Succession Act was passed in which year? Correct answer. 1956. Who was the interim president of First Constituent Assembly? Correct answer. B. Sachidanand Sinha. The recall provision to remove the elected office bearers from the local self-government institution has been executed in. Correct answer. D. Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following article promotes the formation of village panchayats? Correct answer. B. Article 40. Who conducts elections to panchayats and municipalities in the states? Correct answer. B. State Election Commission. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? Correct answer. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. With which of the following countries National People's Congress is related to? Correct answer. C. China. How many judges are there in Supreme Court? Correct answer. D. 31. Who allocates and reshuffles various portfolios among the ministers? Correct answer. C. The Prime Minister. Which article empowers the appropriate legislature, parliament or state legislature to establish a tribunal for the adjudication of election disputes? Correct answer. B. Article 323b.